everyone, welcome. Now today we are going to be tightening and firming the skin, and we're going to be using egg. Now if you have tried egg before, you know how effective it is on lifting and firming the skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some other ingredient to the egg that's going to help to tighten, firm, smooth the skin, hydrates the skin while lifting and firming. Just an amazing combination, but a very effective combination of ingredients that's going to give you fast results. So if you're looking to lift, firm while brightening and hydrating the skin to look years younger, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Now let's take a look at our main ingredient, which is egg. You can use any egg, whether it is brown or white. Today I'm using a white egg, really doesn't matter. Now egg can be used to improve skin texture, whether your skin is dry or oily. Egg has fatty acid which can lend moisture to the skin, while the egg white contains albumin, a simple form of protein that helps to tighten pores and also remove excess oil, and also help to tighten and firm the skin, getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Now the first thing I'm going to do with this egg, I'm going to extract the egg white. Today I'm only going to be using the egg white. So I'm just going to crack the egg. Like I'm showing here, and this is how I extract the egg yolk from the egg white. Now I'm all done, and take a look at the egg white. This is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the egg white to the side, and I'm going to put away the egg yolk for another recipe. And now we're going to move on to the next ingredient. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel is great for your skin overall. It contains antioxidant, enzyme, vitamin A and vitamin C, and it is highly anti-inflammatory. It can help to treat dry skin, acne-prone skin. It can even help to clear the skin of dark spots and blemishes, and aloe vera gel will help to leave your skin just smooth, radiant and glowing. So what I'm going to do with my aloe, I'm going to extract the gel. An easy way to extract the gel is to peel both sides like I'm sharing here, and then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to just lift off the upper part of the leaf like this. And look, this is how I reveal the gel. So today I'm going to just use my knife and scrape the gel, and I like to do this sometimes. So just keep scraping. Now if you do not want to scrape, however, you can choose to just cut the gel out, place it in your blender and blend. Scraping off the gel off that upper peel, and then you discard, and here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. Now like the egg white, I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to share my next ingredient with you. Now take a look at our next ingredient, which is coconut oil. Now coconut oil is great for the skin. It helps to clean the skin by removing grease and dirt, but it also helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines while helping to boost the collagen production on the skin. So now that we have all the ingredients, we have some egg white, we have aloe vera gel, and we have coconut oil. I'm going to show you how to put this all together to create an amazing skin tightening facial mask. So we're going to start off by using 2 tablespoons of the fresh aloe vera gel. However, if you do not have fresh aloe vera gel, go ahead and use the store-bought aloe vera gel. I'm also going to be using about 2 teaspoons of the coconut oil. You can choose to use the liquid, or if you have the solid, use 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil, or you can substitute the coconut oil for some olive oil. And next, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of the egg white. You can choose to use fresh egg white, or if you have the box egg white, you can go ahead and you can also use that in this recipe. And now what we're going to do next, we are going to blend this together, and we are going to blend well. Now there's optional ingredient that you could add to this recipe. You can choose to add a bit of rose water to cut down on the smell of the egg. You can also choose to add some lemon zest. You can even go ahead and add some dry orange peel to this recipe. Just make sure to use no more than about a teaspoon of whatever you are adding. It's going to take a while to whisk, so be patient. So just keep whisking until it looks something like this, very fluffy and white looking. And now that our coconut egg mask is ready, I'm going to go on the other side and show you how to use it on your skin for best results. So you're going to dip in and you're going to just apply it to your face like this in upward strokes. Now cover your entire face with the facial mask. Today, however, for demonstration purposes, I chose to apply this just to half a side of my face so that you can see the difference. Now this mask is very thin, as I stated before, so you can also go ahead and give it a second layer. Just apply the mask to your entire face and focus on areas that you tend to have sagging skin or areas that you are looking to lift and firm. Now once that is done, you're going to sit with this for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to sit with this for 30 minutes. Take a look up close. Now it has been 15 minutes, and take a look at what is happening. You can clearly see that it is drying on the skin. Just look at it. It is drying on the skin. Now, how is my skin feeling? My skin is feeling extremely tight, like really, really tight. I can feel the tightness right on my cheekbones right here. I can feel the tightness right on my laugh line right here. I can also feel tightening on my jawline. My forehead right around to my hair is feeling really, really tight. So I'm gonna sit with this for another 15 minutes and then I'm gonna be back with the result. Now I've been sitting with this for 30 minutes and take a look at what is happening. The mask is completely dry on my skin. Totally dry. However, I am still feeling the tightening of this mask on my skin. So I'm just gonna massage it a little on the skin. I'll massage it a little. And now I'm gonna rinse this off and I will be back with the final result. So there you have it. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Don't just sit there, give it a try. Use it for a week and come back and leave a comment. And if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe on your way out so that you don't miss another video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you all. Don't forget to tune in every Sunday for our live show, Sunday Chit Chat with Khichibeauty at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and at 1:30 p.m. Pacific Time. We also have a Friday show, Let's Talk Skincare with Khichibeauty. This is on every Friday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 10:30 a.m. Pacific Time.